Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to view and delete all your posts on Facebook. Posts is like a reminder notification that is sent to your friends, reminding them that you're actually viewing their status and keeping up on them. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to actually view them all the people that poked you, and also delete those posts on Facebook app. So first thing first, make sure your Facebook app is very updated, like up to date, by going to your Play Store, your Apple Store, to update your app. So first thing first, you have to open up your Facebook app just like this. Click on these three lines right there and scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on privacy and scroll down to activity log right here. So here you're going to click on interactions, manage interactions right there, and you can see a lot of them. You can see pokes right here, so you got to click on pokes. So I don't have anybody that poked me, or I poked anybody. So but if you see anyone, you just have to click on it and delete it. So this is how to actually view all the people that poked you and who you poked, and also delete them from your Facebook app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.